Fine-tuning is a crucial step in customizing pre-trained models to better suit specific tasks or datasets. In the context of Azure OpenAI, fine-tuning allows developers to adapt powerful language models to their unique requirements, enhancing performance and relevance. This process involves training the model on a smaller, task-specific dataset, which helps it learn the nuances and intricacies of the new data. Fine-tuning can significantly improve the model's accuracy and efficiency, making it more effective for specialized applications. Azure OpenAI Service provides access to OpenAI's powerful language models, such as GPT-3, through the Azure platform. These models are pre-trained on vast amounts of text data and can perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks. By leveraging Azure's infrastructure, developers can integrate these models into their applications, benefiting from Azure's scalability, security, and compliance features. Fine-tuning these models on Azure allows for even greater customization and optimization, enabling developers to create highly specialized AI solutions. Fine-tuning offers several benefits, including improved model performance, increased relevance to specific tasks, and reduced need for extensive data preprocessing. By tailoring a pre-trained model to a particular dataset, developers can achieve higher accuracy and efficiency. Fine-tuning also allows for the incorporation of domain-specific knowledge, making the model more adept at handling specialized tasks. Additionally, it can help mitigate biases present in the original training data, leading to fairer and more balanced AI solutions. Before fine-tuning an Azure OpenAI model, it's essential to prepare your dataset. This involves collecting and curating a high-quality, representative sample of the data relevant to your task. The dataset should be clean, well-labeled, and formatted correctly to ensure effective training. It's also important to split the data into training, validation, and test sets to evaluate the model's performance accurately. Proper dataset preparation is crucial for successful fine-tuning and achieving optimal results. To fine-tune an Azure OpenAI model, you need to set up your Azure environment. This includes creating an Azure account, setting up the necessary resources, and configuring your environment for training. You'll need to provision an Azure Machine Learning workspace, create a compute instance, and set up storage for your data. Additionally, you'll need to install the required libraries and tools, such as the Azure Machine Learning SDK and OpenAI API, to facilitate the fine-tuning process. Once your Azure environment is set up, the next step is to configure the model for fine-tuning. This involves selecting the appropriate pre-trained model from the Azure OpenAI service and specifying the training parameters. You'll need to define the learning rate, batch size, number of epochs, and other hyperparameters to optimize the training process. Proper configuration is essential to ensure that the model learns effectively from the new dataset and achieves the desired performance improvements. With the model configured, you can begin the training process. This involves feeding the prepared dataset into the model and adjusting the weights based on the new data. The training process can be computationally intensive, so it's important to monitor the progress and make adjustments as needed. Azure provides tools for tracking training metrics, such as loss and accuracy, to help you evaluate the model's performance. Regularly saving checkpoints during training can also help prevent data loss and facilitate model tuning. After training, it's crucial to evaluate the model's performance to ensure it meets your requirements. This involves testing the model on the validation and test datasets and analyzing key metrics, such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Azure provides tools for visualizing these metrics and identifying areas for improvement. If the model's performance is not satisfactory, you may need to adjust the training parameters, fine-tune the dataset, or explore different model architectures to achieve better results. Once you're satisfied with the model's performance, the next step is to deploy it. Azure offers several deployment options, including Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, Azure Functions, and Azure App Service. These services provide scalable and secure environments for running your fine-tuned model in production. Deployment involves packaging the model, setting up the necessary infrastructure, and configuring endpoints for accessing the model. Proper deployment ensures that your AI solution is reliable, efficient, and accessible to users. After deployment, it's important to monitor the model's performance and maintain it over time. This involves tracking key metrics such as response time, accuracy, and user feedback to ensure the model continues to perform well. Azure provides tools for monitoring and logging, which can help you identify and address issues promptly. Regularly updating the model with new data and retraining it as needed can also help maintain its relevance and effectiveness. Ongoing maintenance is crucial for ensuring the long-term success of your AI solution. To illustrate the process of fine-tuning an Azure OpenAI model, let's consider a real-world application. Imagine a customer support chatbot for a healthcare company. By fine-tuning a pre-trained language model on the company's specific dataset, the chatbot can provide more accurate and relevant responses to customer inquiries. This involves training the model on historical chat logs, medical terminology, and common customer questions. The fine-tuned model can then be deployed to handle customer interactions, improving the overall efficiency and satisfaction of the support process. To achieve the best results when fine-tuning an Azure OpenAI model, consider the following best practices and tips. 1. Ensure your dataset is high quality and representative of the task. 2. Experiment with different training parameters and model architectures to find the optimal configuration. 3. Regularly monitor and evaluate the model's performance to identify areas for improvement. 4. Use Azure's tools and resources to streamline the fine-tuning process and enhance scalability. 5. Stay updated with the latest advancements in AI and machine learning to incorporate new techniques and methodologies into your workflow. Fine-tuning an Azure OpenAI model is a powerful way to customize and optimize AI solutions for specific tasks. By following the steps outlined in this presentation, you can effectively prepare your dataset, configure and train the model, evaluate its performance, and deploy it in a production environment. Ongoing monitoring and maintenance are essential for ensuring the long-term success of your AI solution. As you continue to explore the capabilities of Azure OpenAI, consider experimenting with different models and techniques to further enhance your applications and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving field of AI.